All right, hello everyone, evening. Okay, evening everyone. Now, if you're joining me in the room right now, drop a note, say hi. I'll be more than happy to address you and say hi to you as well. Hey, Jason. How are you, Jason? I hope everything is good. Hi, Jonathan. Hi, Stanley. Oh, we have that autonomous Facebook user. Hi, Facebook user. Another hey, Facebook user. Okay, now, if you're joining us for the first time over here, please click on the streamyard.com/Facebook link that you see on the post. Okay, because otherwise you just turn out as Facebook user on my system and my backend over here. And definitely that's not something that I want. That's not something that I like over here. So do help me out. Yeah. All right, do help me out, everyone. Okay, Chia, I think Chia, one of you. All right, it's one of you. All right. Okay, Chia. Thank you very much. Okay, do help me, all right? Click on the streamyard.com/Facebook. Okay, thank you very much. Oh no, I was looking at the wrong session. That's not Chia. I was looking at last week's session. All right, let me just try to spot out. Yeah, Jason, you're right. All the night owls. Yes, this was me trying to catch all of you over here. Okay, now, so thank you very much for joining me in this late hour of the night. Unfortunately, I did have a live trading webinar just before this, so I'm jumping over once that finished up. Okay, I'm jumping over once that finish up. So I'm keeping to my promise over here. So I'm building a portfolio and I want to continue to track it. Okay, so that means I want to continue to lock down the official trade notice that we're doing. Okay, now, so if you're joining us right now, please, as usual, help me to click on the share button. Okay, help me to click on the share button on this live feed video and do share it out and let your friends know, right, how they can build an options portfolio and returning 20% per annum. Okay, we're in this segment once again, portfolio building for cash flow with Terence. Okay, I'm building a simple portfolio with the simplest option selling strategy. All right, what's the aim? All right, the aim over here is to, okay, the aim over here is to achieve. It's late at night. I'm a little spent. Okay, our aim over here is to achieve 20% ROI per annum returns. Okay, all right, building a portfolio. And over here, we're going to show you that even with a cashed up portfolio, we can do so. Okay, why again cashed up? Because the only strategies I'm discussing in this live segment over here, okay, that we do weekly for the publics, what we're doing over here is we're selling portfolio naked puts. Now, what is portfolio naked put? Some of you may be asking this question. It is simply selling a put option, okay, with the obligation that I will buy the stock. Okay, it may happen, it may not happen. Okay, so what's happening over here is I'm going to put up the full amount ready to buy those stocks. Okay, so all I'm doing over here is to sell put options to collect option premiums. Okay, but if nobody wants to sell them to me, right, then I just pocket the cash. So I'm pretty much running like an insurance company up front. Okay, now part of my background, I am at home, but my own office, my own room right now is booted out. Okay, my daughters are having a sleepover together with me tonight. So once I'm done with this session, I'm heading back to the room. So I have to do it somewhere else in the home right now. Okay, now, so without further ado, I'm going to get started. So thank you very much for hearing me rant over the last couple of minutes. So once again, help me click on the share button and you might want to post it out. What's the topic over here? How can your friend benefit from listening to the videos? Thank you very much. Now, so let's get going. Let's get started with trade management actions. I want to close more trades over here tonight, everyone. Okay, the first one up, let's look at AT&T. We have a 20th November 28 strike AT&T puts. We sold it for 73 cents. Let's see if I can manage it over here. right? AT&T, okay, it's 20th November. 20th November, 28 puts, 28 puts. It's 9 cents right now, everyone. I can pay 9 cents and close it. So I'm going to do that, right? 9 cents. Okay, all of you can verify. It is the ask price right now in the markets. So I can close out this trade, right? 9 cents. Okay, that would yield a cash flow of $192. Okay, and I closed this trade. I closed this trade 1 week before expiry, right? 1 week before expiry. Okay, why? Because I do feel that we may have a market correction coming up really soon, right? So I don't want to be left stuck when that happens. Okay, because right now the stock is just above 28. Okay, and I have a strike of 28 over here. I rather wait for the sell-off and then reestablish the position on AT&T. Okay, so not right now. Okay, so that's another profitable trade over here on AT&T and the public portfolio that we built. Okay, up next, WFC. So I have an 18 December 2250 put option on WFC. So let's look at WFC over here. 2250 puts December. WFC has gone up as well, so I should be able to rake in some profits. Okay, so the 2250 right now is going for 54 cents. Okay, and that means I can make 50% of the premiums. Okay, 50% of the premiums upfront right now. So I'm going to cash out as well. Okay, so let me verify that this is correct. I can pay the ask price for the 2250 December strike, right? It is right now at 54 cents, 54 cents. So I can go ahead and place the order and get it closed. Okay, so we are going to count this trade officially closed at 54 cents, everyone, 54 cents. Okay, now, so 54 cents, okay, equals to 54 cents. Okay, I closed it out on 13 November as well. Okay, I no longer need the cash requirements. Okay, this trade is another profitable trade. We generated $237 in cash flow out of this trade over here. Okay, all right, now next one over here, next up, Intel, right? I have a 20th November Intel expiry for 46, right? 46 strike for Intel. Let's see. Intel is trading at 45.20 today, 45.20 today. Okay, so this is probably a trade that is underwater right now. What do I have? 46 puts. All right, I have right, 46 put is going for 118 right now, 118. All right, so I'm leaving that open. All right, I'm more than happy to take up the stocks. All right, so no trades on this. Okay, no trades on this. Last up, KR, Kroger. All right, so I have an 18 December on Kroger for 31 strike. I just opened this, so I'm not going to close it as well. So we managed two positions today. We closed out AT&T. I've closed out WFC. Okay, now, so right now, how interesting. What's my option buying power, or what's the cash requirements I'm putting up right now? I have a total exposure of just 24.6% of my $100,000 portfolio. Right? If all of you remember, this portfolio was built on a $100,000 cash account. So we have never used up all the capital in any 1 week. All right. And right now, I'm almost 75% in cash. I'm 75% cash, everyone. Now, so let's go to what I'm going to add today. Anybody wants to guess what stocks am I going to add today? Type in the chat box. Type in the comment section, everyone. All right, leave a comment if you think you know what I'm looking to. Oh, a pop look over there. Right now, if you know what I'm going to add today, just leave a comment over there. All right, let me know what stock you think I'm looking at. I already have one in mind. I'm just thinking about adding another, that's all. Oh, man. Who's spoiling my bills, Terence. All right. Terence says eBay. How do you know? How do you know I'm gonna do eBay? All right, great job, everyone. All right, how do you know I'm doing eBay? Uh, yes, I am doing eBay. Cat out of the bag. I'm doing eBay. Okay, all right now. So I'm doing eBay over here, and eBay, unfortunately, I'm a little bit late today, but I think on a portfolio standpoint, I'm still pretty good. Okay, now, so I'm going eBay for 18 December. Okay, I'm going eBay for 18 December. Let me just look at what eBay has done so far. It has a low of $45. So I think I could go with that. All right, $45 on eBay. I can sell it for about 93. Before I go ahead, let me do a quick calculation. If the ROI hits the bill, I can probably get 95 cents for this divided by $45. That would be a 2% return for 35. 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7 days. That's 5 weeks. That means this trade lasts for 5 weeks over here. So 2.1% divided by 5 weeks, and then I multiply it out by 52. 0.021 divided by 5 weeks, and then multiply it by 52 weeks. That's 21%, everyone. It fits the bill. All right, so I'm going to place an order to sell 45 puts on eBay for 18 December for 95 cents premium. Okay, 95 cents premium. Okay, now, so I'm going to go ahead, give me a minute. I'm placing the orders right now. Okay, for 18 December, 45 puts. Okay, this is going to be a 3-contract trade over here. All right, I'm doing a 3-contract trade for 95 cents. Can I get higher now? No, 95. Okay, once it is done, I'll verify it with all of you. All right, I got it done, everyone. All right, there you go, everyone. Okay, you can verify it over here. All right, at 11:43. I don't know why it's 1 hour behind my time. I wish it was at 11:43 right now. All right, so the eBay December. Okay, I just want to see my screen. Okay, I saw the eBay December 18. Okay, December 18, 45 puts. Okay, 45 puts over here. All right, 3 contracts of them at 95 cents. Okay, 3 contracts of them at 95 cents. Let me see if I can make it bigger. Uh, yeah. All right, the font size is a little bit bigger. All right. Okay, now, so yes, I did buy some Intel shares yesterday too, and today I'm a little bit profitable. All right, now, so I sold 3 put options on eBay, 45 puts over here, 3 contracts at 95 cents credit. Okay, that's done and dusted. So let's put it on our portfolio. Let's calculate some ROIs. So there we go. What trade is this? Trade number 21. Right, trade number 21, Intel. Oh, no, sorry, one Intel. Oh my goodness, eBay. Tired. 45 puts, 13 of November. All right, I did this for 95 cents. Okay, I've just generated an additional $285 in cash flow today. All right, but it would require a $13,500 cash. Okay, this trade would cost $13,500. That means I'm ready to pick up 300 shares of eBay at $45 a piece. All right, 300 shares of eBay at $45 a piece. Okay, I'm comfortable with that. Okay, now I'm gonna put out another trade today. I'm good with this. I'm happy with this. I'm gonna put out another trade today. I'm gonna double up on Intel, everyone. Okay, I'm doubling up on Intel. Okay, I'm happy to pick up Intel shares at $46. Okay, but I'm happy to add another 3 contracts over here today. Okay, now so looking out. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, now so let's go over to Intel. Right. So I have Intel over here, and I'm going out to December as well. I'm happy to take up. Let's see if the ROI makes sense for me. Hmm. No, it doesn't work out. Yeah, there we go. That's where weekly is useful. That's where weekly is useful. Wonderful. Give me a minute, everyone. I'm just trying to calculate out what's a good trade point. Yeah, we got it, everyone. We got a winner. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to sell the Intel 11th of December. Okay, in time for the final year rally over here. All right, 44 puts. Okay, 44 puts for 11th of December on Intel over here at 82 cents. I'm gonna use the last done price over here as my guideline. Okay, so let's add Intel. Even my Wi-Fi at home is probably wanting to sleep. Give me a minute, everyone. Uh, Okay, December 11th. All right. Okay, December 11th. Oh, I may be able to get 83 now. All right. Let's see. There you go. You see my 83 here, everyone. You see my 83. I'm trying to get it done for 83, everyone, but it's not biting. It's not biting. This is taking it at 82. All right. I'm not haggling, everyone. All of you. Oh, I wanted to say I'm not haggling. They finally gave it to me. They PT'd me. They PT'd me, everyone. Okay, so let's verify this. All right, Intel, okay, Intel December 11th, 44 puts, sold three contracts over here at 83 cents. Okay, 83 cents. So I'm overweighting my portfolio on Intel, but I'm happy to do so. Okay, I'm more than happy to do so. Okay, so let's trade 22 today. I've added two trades today. 11th of December, 44 puts. It's a lower strike than the original trade that I did. I did this on tonight, 13 November, and I collected 83 cents. Okay, this would be another $13,200. So tonight I spent $26,700 of my portfolio's available cash. Now, what's the ROI on this trade? Let's do it together. Equal to 83 cents divided by 44, right? Which would be the cash I'm putting up. That's 1.89% for 5 weeks. So 1.89% divided by 5 multiplied by 52 weeks, that's an annualized return of 19.6, everyone, 19.6. Right, so that brings us to our 20% mark. Right, for eBay, it was over 20%, so it was better. Okay, so for eBay, it was over 20%, so that was a better deal over here. Right. Okay, everyone, that's good. No, I'm not adding Hawk. No way am I adding Hawk. I'm not getting anywhere near Harley Davidson. All right, it's not worthy. Okay, remember, portfolio building over here, it's about selling put options over here on the look or on the outlook that I'm happy to pick up any of these shares I'm talking about. All right, so no way am I getting near a company like Harley Davidson. Yeah, one, I'm definitely not a rider. Two, okay, two, there are reasons for this as well. Two, I'm definitely not willing, okay, to spend 46 PE on a company that is not making money. Okay, now what do I mean by companies not making money? We all know the demise of Harley Davidson. Yes, it is iconic, but year on year, they're simply starting to sell lesser and lesser bikes over here. Yeah, all right now. So Harley's on the downtrend over here in terms of both sales as well as their profits. Okay, now, and definitely in this pandemic period, there will be lesser people willing to spend on high ticket items, right? Or taking a stretch loan over here on such high ticket items. So at 46 PE, it's hefty, right? It's very hefty, everyone. So nowhere am I going to get near that. Now, why Intel? Some of you are asking. Intel is trading at 8 PE, everyone, 8 PE. The market is sky high. All right, the market is sky high, and Intel is profitable. Whether you like it or not, Intel is profitable. How many companies? All right, how many companies do you find right that declares an earnings per share of $1? Right, how many companies are able to do a earnings per share of $1 over here? Right, Intel is throwing that, and yet it's being punished right to a PE of only 8. Right, so I don't know if it's going up any higher. I don't know if it's going up any higher, but I'm surely going to know that it's not going down much lower. All right, at 8 PE, right? It's not going down any lower. And it pays out a dividend. All right, there's a dividend of 33 cents per quarter, everyone. That's almost 36912. That's 120, all right? 120, 130 per annum, everyone. All right, so this is crazy, all right? It's crazy bargain that you got from the market over here. Okay, all right. Okay, now, so just to answer YC's question over here, I do have a Nokia trade on my portfolio. So why did I go for Nokia over here, although it doesn't give dividends? Because I'm happy. All right, this is a public session, so I'm building a portfolio on stocks that I myself, right, are happy owning the company. All right, so Nokia, I'm buying a little bit for future potential. Right, I do expect it to be a big player coming up in the 5G net space, and I think recently they signed a pretty big deal, right, to be a provider of something somewhere. I can't remember what was the term, what was the article about, but I remember it came out in the headlines over here on business medias. Right, so Nokia just clinched a very big deal recently. Right, so even if the stock is down right now, I'm more than happy to keep the stock. It's a $5 stock, so at a 3 contract exposure, right, it's like $1,500. I'm not too concerned about it. Okay, first, I don't think Nokia. Sorry, I keep saying Nike. I don't think Nokia is going bankrupt anytime soon, so I'm happy being an owner of Nokia, right, for the 5G potential it has. Right, so it has a big potential coming up in the 5G space. So I'm more than happy to be a player of that. Okay, everyone. So this is the portfolio for tonight. We closed 2, we reopened 2. All right, we closed 2, we reopened 2 over here. All right, so time to take some time accounts. I have 22 open trades, right? 2 new trades that are open today, right? And in total, I have 5 open trades. That means I've closed out 17 profitable trades so far, everyone. We started our portfolio, our very first session on 7th of July, all right? And we are 17 trades profitable. And all these trades are taken in live, real time, when market opens in front of your very eyes, everyone. So thank you very much for joining me once again. So for those of you who are part of our community, remember always, right, tweak the trade itself, right? Tweak the trade before you sell them. Okay, and for those of you who are keen to find out more about option selling strategies and options as a whole, you see scrolling at the bottom, please head over to impossibleinvestors.com, click on options, project options cash flow, all right, and you can get access to our content over here really, really soon. Now, and for those of you who have been with us for quite a while right now, but you're not part of our community, right? If you're ready to take the next step up, we have a mentorship program to train a new intake of option sellers together with me, right? In the month of December. So it is less than 1 month away right now. So if you are interested to know more about the details, send an email to my team at help@impossibleinvestors.com. Okay, send an email to them. Okay, with the subject mentorship December. Okay, and I'm sure they will get back to you with more details on that. Okay, everyone. All right, now, so these are the 2 stocks I'm selling on over here, right? So I've already got a Kroger in my account, as you can see. All right, I have a Kroger trade, which I just opened last week, so I'm not adding any more to it yet. Okay, thank you very much once again for joining me in this session, and I'm going to bring this session to a close over here. I hope I do not have a clash of schedules next week lineup, so I hope to bring it back to the normal time over here on Friday nights with all of you. Stay tuned to the Telegram channel. If you have not done so, please add yourself to the Telegram channel that we have as well to get notified when I go live. And also, Facebook will be notifying all of you when I'm running my session on next Friday and what time over here. Okay, I think we will be running stock nitpicking with IMP this weekend together with Jeremy. Right, so keep a lookout in our Facebook group as well for what time is going to be run on over here. All right, thank you, Josephine. Yes, thank you. You've been here every single session. Thank you very much for being here. All right, now, Leon, good to have you here as well, and good to have you back in the community and commenting over here. So I hope to see all of you same time, same channel. Uh, okay, same channel, not same time. Next Friday for portfolio building live with Terence over here with options cash flow. Good night, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye, everyone. If you enjoyed this session, please remember to help me click on the share button. Right, click on the share button before you end so you can reach out to your friends as well. Bye bye. Yes, I'm gonna head back to my sleepover with my kids tonight. Oh my goodness. Bye bye, everyone. Good night.